I'm gonna tell you some important line of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He said that we should know how to handle, not only how to handle success, how to handle the failure. Particularly you are in the management environment. What turns if I want the young people to understand how to manage the failure, because any task you do you have to come across problems should not become the captain of the individual or the project chief. The project chief should become the captain of the problem and defeat the problem and success. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. History has proven, yes, history has proven that those who dare to imagine the impossible are the one should who break all the human limitations. In every field of human endeavor, whether science, medicine, sports, arts, and technology, the name are the people who imagined the impossible, are engraved in our history by breaking the limits of their imagination. By breaking the limits of their imagination, they change the world. You take C.V. Raman, you take Newton, you take Einstein, you take Chandrasekhar. They have broken the limitations of the imagination. They change the world. If you want to be discoverer, if you want to be innovator, I'm going to tell you what type of characteristic you must have. Inventions and discoveries are illuminated by the creative mind that have been constantly working and imagine the outcome. The telephone. He was ignorance that the outcome in the mind. He imagined the outcome in the mind. With the imagine and constant effort, all the forces of the universe work for the inspired mind, thereby leading to invention and discoveries. Sir, I would like to hear from you. What do you mean by success? Success is nothing. Success is that thing which makes you happy. Success is not that you make a house, you make money. That is not success. Success is what you do for your people, your community, what you do for them. Success means the breakage of limitations of your mind. To be success in life, you need 4 things. First, a great aim. Say, I will have a great aim. Second, I will continuously acquire knowledge. Third, I will do hard work. Fourth, I will perceive, and then you will succeed. Okay, this is the mantra of success. You have to be accomplished. You have to do hard work. You have to be patient for your aim, and you will be successful. Thank you.